Hello, namaste, welcome to Greet Arrow. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So, if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel. Or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much for all the love and the support, guys. Means a lot to me. Thank you so very much. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it a follow. And the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. Okay. So today's pick card reading topic is what is written in your destiny. Okay. So that's going to be the topic for today. Remember, these are general readings. So take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings also. So whenever you watch this reading, might have a message for you. Okay. So I have 3 groups for you guys. So I've kept 3 pens. Okay, so for group number 1 we have a brush pen, orange brush pen for group number 1. For group number 2 we have this glass pen. Okay, and for group number 3 we have this paintbrush. Okay, so close your eyes, relax, connect with your intuition, and then select a pen or a pile that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so take your time, relax, let go of all the worries, then select a pile or group that calls to you intuitively. Okay, so the timestamps will be listed in the description box below. Okay, take your time, pause the video, and then select. Okay, I'm going to start with group number 1. Group number 1, if you have chosen this orange brush pen, let's see what is your message, what is written in your destiny. And remember, these are timeless and general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. Okay, so the rune you have drawn is Hagwalas, and this is like a rune of destruction. It's like you cannot control the natural disasters. Yeah, sometimes we cannot control that natural disaster. Some things in our life cannot be controlled even if you try, and in your life also you might have to go through those tower moments, but or maybe you have already gone through that, and you're like, why this happened, I built it with so much love, why that tower fell apart. It's because for your own best. It's because you are here to become more strong, more courageous. You are here to experience that. It's written in your destiny. You agreed to it, right? You are here to build that courage. Okay, so even if in your past you have gone through those tower moments, it's not because you have done some mistake. It's not because of it. It's because you are here to learn that lesson. You are here to grow stronger, more courageous. And not everyone can be as courageous as you. And I feel like you're building that strength. You're building that courage. Without experiencing those things, we cannot be that strong, courageous, right? So you are here to become more courageous, more stronger, and you are here to help other people, and you are here to be the leader. You are here to help people who are vulnerable, and if you haven't gone through those experiences, you will not be able to help other people. So that's why it's not your mistake. Remember that. Okay, so yeah, divine is telling you that. So yeah, we have perfect storm, the courage to step into life. So sometimes we have to go through those tower moments. That is when we will know how strong we are. So yeah, in the past or right now, if you're going through a tower moment in your life, remember that it's not because you have done certain mistake. No, it's not because divine doesn't love you. No, it's not because of it. It's because they are making you realize how powerful you are, how strong you are, how courageous you are. You are the peacock. Look, we have the eagle and a peacock. We have the peacock feathers. You are here to shine. Your courage will be seen by other people. Like for some of you, there might be your health issues might have problems. You have health issues, and you know what, you will overcome those health issues and come strong and more braver, and you will be able to guide other people who are going through the same things. So you are someone who is here to guide people, help vulnerable people, and you can understand them because you have gone through a lot of things in your life. So whatever it is, whatever tower moment you are going through in your life, after you have gone through, it's not because you have done certain mistake. No, it's not because of it. It's because you are here to be strong, you're here to have that courage, and you're here to help other people, and that's written in your destiny. Okay, and you're here to shine. You're the peacock, and with the eagle also I'm getting like you have so much of perspective, you know, you have this view. It's just to change your perspective. It's to you know, the eagle's view is so big, so it's just to give that to you. So yeah, remember that, okay? And you are here, you will get that stability, security in your life. But sometimes we have to go through those challenges. So for you guys, you will have to go through those challenges, those adversities, and you know what, you will be able to overcome it. That's the thing, that's the beautiful thing, and you will be recognized for it, okay? People will be like, oh my god, this person is so strong, they have overcome that thing and they are on the top now. So yeah, so if you're dealing with certain you know, certain problems in your life, if you have certain challenges, understand that you are here to you're here to overcome those challenges and rise above all the challenges. Like the eagle, yeah, eagle is like, the eagle flies so high, you're here to fly like that high. So yeah, that's why, okay? Understand that it's not because you're making mistakes, it's not that. So yeah, we have Radha, soul flame, rediscover a lost part of yourself, experience relationship harmony and healing. So yeah, for some of you, if in the past there have been troubles in your relationship, it's because that relationships were meant to teach you something, and now they have done it, and now you're moving towards a healthier relationship, okay? You're healing yourself, yeah, I feel like that's what you're, maybe because of this relationship you might have lost your confidence or something you have lost. I feel like you're gaining that back, you're healing yourself, you're rediscovering yourself again, and that's written. So don't worry, you know, for this pile, it's like you're immensely courageous. No one is as courageous as you. You have seen so much in your life, and these all experiences have made you stronger. Now it's time for healing. Now it's time to I feel like get on the top of your game, help other people. Yeah, that's what I'm getting here. Yeah, we have teacher awakens. You have something important to share. Follow the inner call. Don't let anything stop you. So if you're listening to this message right now, what I feel like is you have gone through a lot of tower moments in your life. You have gone through a lot of unstable relationships, or maybe there have been people who have abused you. There had been a lot of traumas, but all these traumas are healing right now. You have grown a lot. You have become more courageous. You have understood a lot of things, why this happened, how this happened. You have been learning about it. Now what is your job is to give it to other people. Now it's time to share your knowledge to other people, share your wisdom to other people. There is so much you have to give. So yeah, I feel like you're rediscovering yourself right now for some of you. If you are not in that stage if you are in a stage where you are going through a lot of tower moments, a lot of challenges in your life, I see that you will be able to overcome those challenges and become more strong, and you will find yourself again. You will understand who you are. You will get in touch with your life purpose. You will do something that makes you happy. You will be in a relationship that makes you happy, in a stable, secure relationship also, I'm getting for so many of you. Yes. So I feel like you will, with this Radha, you know, soul flame, she is the twin flame of Krishna. And I even feel like that for some of you, you're going through a separation, but the separation might make you more courageous, and in the separation you will understand who you are and do something that you love, okay? And I even feel like for you guys, it's like you're connecting with yourself, you're connecting with your own higher self. Your divine feminine, divine masculine energies are uniting. You're uniting with your heart, okay? And that's what you're going to teach to other people. So definitely there is so much you can teach to other people. There's so much you can give to other people through your experiences, what you have experienced in your life. Maybe for some of you, you have gone through this near death experience or something like that. Maybe you will guide other people with that, or you might share your story, and that will be very important. Okay, that's very important. Share your stories. You're here to share your story. You're here to share your experiences and help vulnerable people. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. You're very courageous. Yeah, uncovering treasure. So for some of you, and when you will be going through tower moment, or that is when you will discover who you are. So you are here to discover a lot of things. So when this tower moment happens, don't blame yourself and don't feel like why this happened, why the divine doesn't love me or what. Don't think like that. It's just It's just a way. It's like with this perfect storm. This is the perfect storm to make you stronger, to uncover the treasure that you have in yourself. It's the time. Yeah, beneath the surface lies the great. Wow, sorry for that. Beneath the surface lies great bounty. So yeah, there is so much of treasure inside of you that will come out. And I feel one of the treasures is your sharing your own experiences, telling the world how you overcome all these challenges, how strong you are, how you can be strong in difficult situations, how you can overcome those challenges. You are here to do that. And you know what? That is only not the skill you have a lot of skills, you have a lot of talents that you are going to uncover. Okay, and we have, yeah, expand your horizons. Yes, you're going to be out of your comfort zone, you're going to do so much. So yeah, these experiences are only a way, you know, when a tower moment happens in your life, it's just a way to get you out of the box and make you know how much you have inside of you. Yeah, you have a lot of things inside of you that has to come out, and through these challenges only you will uncover that. Okay, and you will become more courageous and confident. Yeah, enthusiasm, self-expression, inspiring others, self-confidence, totality, success, sharing a positive response. A person, if you haven't experienced these all experiences, how you are going to motivate others? So I feel like you are someone who will motivate others through your experiences. How I overcome this, how I did that. You know, it was challenging period in my life. You're going to share those experiences, and as I told you, you will be teaching vulnerable people. You will be helping vulnerable people, and I feel like you will expand, and as well you will help other people to expand in their life. Okay, to get out of their comfort zone. Wow. Exchanging gifts, the gifts you have, you will be exchanging. People will give you that, you know, the generosity you will meet a lot of generous people who will be like, wow, you're so gifted, you have so many talents. For some of you, you have certain spiritual talents also that you will uncover. I feel like that. Okay, so yeah, give it to other people. You know, the inspiration that you will give to other people, the other people will be very generous and will give you a lot of things. A lot of generous people also, a lot of generous people you will meet in your life. So yeah, there is so much of gifts that you will give. You know, your teaching is a gift. Your experiences that you will share will be a gift for so many people. It will uplift them. You don't know right now, but that's what it is. So don't blame yourself when you're going through these tower moments. Don't blame God, or don't blame divine, or don't feel like, why I'm not lucky. No, it's not because of it. It's because it's only to make you strong. It's only to make you strong. It's like, that's the thing I'm getting for you guys. It's only for you guys to understand who you are, what you are, what gifts you have. It's just that, and it will force you to get out of your box, right? So that's the thing. Yeah, justice, we have 9 of Wands. Yeah, don't give up. You will get the justice, guys. So whatever it is, you will get the justice. So yeah, it's like it will be a blessing in disguise, as I told you, perfect storm, right? Sometimes a storm comes and we are like, why we have to do this, why I was not ready for this, but at the end it will be for your own best. Okay, and I feel like with this justice card, you will bring a lot of balance into other people's life through your experiences, right? With this exchanging gifts also, like there is a balance. You know, you're giving something to them, they are giving something to you. Like you are giving some good advice to them, you are inspiring them, and they will be so happy, and they will be generous, and they will give something back to you. So yeah, there is receiving and giving. So maybe for some of you have problem receiving, so don't be like that. Receive with good heart. Okay, so yeah, balance is coming, balance is there. So yeah, stability, security, all is there. So these tower moments only happen in your life to make you stronger. So don't give up on your dreams, because you are here to do so much. You have so much of talents, like multi-talented people. You're going to give it to the world, and the world will give you so much in return. And we have the last card as the World, right? So I feel like in every area of your life you will be successful, in your relationship, in your career, in your spirituality, everything. So yes, you have faced a lot of problems, lot of experience, lot of experiences you have. I'll not call it as a bad experience, it was just an experience to make you stronger, but now you're going to share it with the world, right? You're going to share it with the world, and this, your experiences will give justice to other people in some way. It will give courage to other people, it will give a sense of hope. Yeah, she did it, yeah, he did it, he overcome it, she overcome it, so I can also do it. So that's what you're destined to, right? That's what written in your destiny. So yeah, challenges, take time out from problems or conflicts, or approach softly to avoid making matters worse. So yeah, with that, yes, so you have gone through a lot of challenges, right? I feel like, and those challenges have made you stronger, and now when you encounter a certain challenge, I feel like you will make a better choice, right? Because you are good at it. I feel like that, and that's what you're going to teach other people in some way. Oh my god, group number 1, you're so strong people, you're so courageous people. So yes, I feel like for many of you, you have certain dreams, and you're connecting with your dreams. Maybe for some of you want a good relationship, that will happen. Maybe you want to travel the world and share your experiences, that will happen. You will help other people in their challenging time, and that is what you're meant to do here. So maybe through your writing, maybe through your dancing, maybe through your storytelling, maybe through your comedy, whatever you are doing, you have a lot of talents, okay? And these things are so important to the world, okay? Understand your experiences are important for so many people, okay? So don't think that, oh, my experiences will not help anyone. No, it's not like that. Yeah, give it to the world, share that thing, don't keep it to yourself. You are here to share that. So that's all I have for group number 1. If you like the reading, please share and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you have chosen this glass pen, beautiful glass pen, let's see what is written in your destiny. And remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind. And the rune you have drawn is a vase, okay? So what I'm getting for you guys is like, you're very, very fragile. Look, this glass pen is very fragile. It has to be taken care of. If it's fall, it will like, oh my god, sorry, it will fall. If it falls, it will break, that's what I feel like. You're very fragile, and universe is protecting you, okay? So yeah, you're very protected. That's the thing. In your childhood also you were very protected, now also you're very protected, in the future also you will be very protected, and that's something that is written in your destiny. Universe is protecting you, okay? So I feel like maybe you haven't I feel in the childhood you were very shy or introverted, or you didn't have those experiences what other kids had, because it was a form of protection from divine. So maybe you're like, oh, in my college days I didn't experience that. So many people experience these things, though many love affairs and all, maybe you didn't have that many I'm getting like that, for some of you it's like you didn't experience that things, and it's like because universe was protecting you, because you are such a fragile child, you're such a you're such a kind soul, and universe is like the protective mother that has been protecting you. So I feel like there is a lot of protection, but as you mature you will make your own decision, and remember, universe is there for you. They are protecting you always, okay? That's something I'm getting for you guys, group number 2. And I feel like you are so loved, you're so cherished by the universe, your divine loves you. That's something I feel like. You're the child of the universe. Everyone is the child of the universe, but I feel like they want to protect you in some way. I feel like that. Or maybe you have a set of spirit guides, angels, they always protect you, or guardian angel, and I feel like even there is a loved one who always protects you, okay? And your intuition is also very strong, so that's maybe that's the way they protect you, okay? But there's a lot of protection. And with this vase, what I'm getting, like horse, maybe your spirit animal is horse, so it's like freedom. Freedom is very important for you guys. I feel like you are here to be free. You are not here to be in someone's control. You cannot stay. If there is control, you cannot stay. You feel trapped and you will get out of it, okay? So speak your truth. So the main problem for you guys, I feel like what you're learning is to speak up, to open up. Maybe in the past, you were protected, but you used to not open up, right? You wished, I feel like this shy introverted kid, for some of you, not everyone, but I'm getting that energy. Maybe you didn't express yourself, okay? You used to suppress yourself, your emotions. So I feel like as you progress, you are here to express yourself, maybe through dancing, maybe through singing, maybe through your creative things, whatever it is, you are going to express yourself. And you are here to live with freedom. You cannot be under someone's like do this, you cannot do that, and you are not here to do that, remember. So you are here to travel. Maybe for some of you will be traveling all over the world, different cultures, seeing different cultures, and you can, you know what, you can connect with people very easily. Even though I feel like I feel like you can connect with people very easily. Your energy is very positive. So yeah, traveling, seeing a lot of cultures, that is what I'm getting. And I'm getting very good partnership. So your relationship also will be very good. So if you are not in a relationship, I feel like a beautiful connection will be there. A friendship, definitely I'm seeing for you. A good friend. If you don't have a friend, there is a good friend for you guys. My group number 2, who will take care of you, okay? Because you are so fragile, you are so kind-hearted, you are strong people, but it's like the universe is like a protective mother. They want to protect you always. I feel like that. So that's very beautiful. And yeah, I feel like good friendship is going to be there for you guys. Good partnership. If you are married, I feel like this partner might be protecting you, might be taking care of you. So yeah, I feel like the people you will vibe with are the people who will give you that freedom. You cannot stay with someone who is manipulating you and all. You will not stay with them. So you are here for freedom. And the first card is the wall, obstacles. Yeah. So what I feel like with these obstacles now in your life, you might have gone through obstacles. It's just universe was protecting you. I'm getting like that because you're so fragile. So yeah, maybe those sometimes we have an obstacle. It is for our own protection. Sometimes we feel like that, oh my God, why this happened? Why is this happening? Why this is not moving forward? Why this thing didn't happen? Maybe it was for your own good. So yes, you might have gone through a lot of obstacles, but you know what? It's just divine was protecting you guys. But you are going to move forward. You are going to as you mature, as you progress in your life, as you get older. When you were a kid, I feel like there might have been things that you wanted, you didn't get, but it was just a form of protection. That you need to understand that. That's what I'm getting very strongly for group number 2. But you're going to travel the world. You're going to overcome all those obstacles. You're going to break that wall down. So maybe because of it, you might, for some of you, it's like you have a wall. You were in this comfort zone. Now what I'm feeling like, it was just for your protection. You were in this comfort zone. You were made to be in this comfort zone because divine was protecting you. You know, when we are younger, I feel like. But now what is happening for you guys as you progress with your life, you will be breaking those walls and you will be moving forward. It's like the next stage for you guys if you're listening right now. So that stage is over. I feel like you're breaking your walls, you're getting out of your comfort zone, you're doing the things that you thought you will never do. So you're taking chances, you're taking risk. That's the thing I'm getting for group number 2. Okay, let's see. Wow, awakening presence. The universe is with you. Wear a clock of protection and love. So with this also awakening presence. So there was a presence with you. There you have this team of spirit guides or a team of angels or guardian angels that was always protecting you. Even if you don't know, even if you're aware or not aware of it, I feel like that they were with you. They were protecting you. They were always with you. So even if you struggle, just ask for their help. They will give you that help and you will be able to overcome that struggle, okay? So remember, you're very, very protected. You're very protected people, okay? So divine loves you, I have to say. So you are here to move forward with your goals, with your passion, and divine will always protect you. And if something that is not good for you, you will not be able to get it also because it's just divine protecting you as our parents protect us, right? So that's the thing. But I'm getting what I'm getting here is like you are going to break your own wall and move forward, okay? For some of you were in this comfort zone because divine was protecting you, so you became you put yourself in a wall, and now you're breaking those walls and moving forward. That's something I'm getting for you guys. So let's see. Yeah, reaching your destination, your light is going to shine brightly. Yes, definitely. I feel like with this bubble also, it makes some sense. So sense like universe is protecting you. You were in this bubble. Universe were protecting you. Now you are like, yeah. Now it's like when a child has grown, right? When they are big, they leave their house, right? They move forward, they go try different jobs, and also like that also you were in this protection of universe. Now you're ready to move out from that. So yeah, you are going to move out, you're going to reach your destination. So even though you are you're not in this shield, like you're breaking your you're breaking the wall and moving forward, you're always protected. Remember that, because you're maturing, you're making right decision, your intuition is very strong. So remember, whatever your goals are, whatever your desires are, the universe will help you with your goals and desires. So do that positive thinking, write those affirmations, because you are here to be the butterfly and you are going to shine very, very brightly. Okay, you're the star. I feel like for some of you, you might be star seeds also, so that's why you are from a different realm. So a divine is taking care of you, extra care of you. There are other celestial beings, they are taking care of you. So you're very much loved, you are taken care of. But remember, you are not here to be in that comfort zone. So maybe there was a time where you had to be, because divine was protecting you. Now it's time to break up those walls, and I feel like you're going to break those walls. You're going to move out, you're going to experience a lot of new things, okay, like travel, moving forward with your life, making new friends. Okay, maybe you don't have friends, I feel like there are friends coming your way, good partnership coming your way. If you're already married, I feel like this relationship, if you are in a very good relationship, committed relationship, this relationship will progress. It will give you a lot of happiness. For some of you, I even feel like a new home, a safe home, where you will feel very safe. You are going to be in that place only where you will feel very safe. Okay, maybe for some of you, you had dealt with people who are not so good for you, toxic people, or maybe that's why you put yourself in a wall, but finally you're breaking those walls. Okay, but I feel like even though you have dealt with these toxic people, you were always protected in some way, even though you don't know, or you know or don't know, but you were protected. Now I feel like now you are ready to shine. You have learned a lot of lessons. Okay, now you are breaking your own walls and now you're ready to shine. But remember, universe is always there to protect you. And yes, whatever your plans are, whatever your goals are, you are going to make it happen, guys. Believe in yourself. You are going to make it happen. You're going to move forward. For me, this is like a chariot energy also, like a lot of recognition, rewards you are going to receive. So maybe if you're content creators, or you are in this communication area, or maybe you are dancers, creatives, whatever you do, you are going to move forward. Even if you're in corporate field, you will move forward. You will reach your goals and desires. Okay, that's something I'm getting from group number 2. Yeah, development, definitely. Yeah, so maybe for some of you, you haven't had a lot of growth. You know, maybe for some of you, you are feeling like, why I'm not growing so fast. There are so many people who are moving so fast in their career. Why I'm not moving like very quickly? Because you had to learn those lessons. And you know, for some of you, it's like spirit is telling slow progress is the best progress for you guys. You will slowly move forward, slowly you will climb the ladders. Okay, so you don't so there is no chance of falling down. Okay, you will not fall, because you will it's like you will take that first step and you will learn everything, and then only you will go to the next step. So when we take the shortcut, there is a high risk of falling down. So that's why if your progress was very slow, don't be like, why my progress is so slow, why everyone is moving faster. No, it's like slow and steady growth for you guys. You will go slow, but you will reach at the top. You will reach your destination. You will shine brightly there. You will learn a lot of things. You have to learn, learn a lot of things. So it's better to go step by step and not skip any steps. Okay, that's something I'm getting. Look, gradual progress, continuity, slowly but surely, adaptability, a time-honored approach. So definitely you are going to develop. So whatever you're doing right now in your life, you're going to develop slowly but surely. Even if you're in your relationship also, if you feel like you don't have friends, there will be friends coming, and those relationships will slowly progress, but it will be stable. So everything in your life will be stable. Even if you encounter any obstacles, you will be able to overcome those obstacles slowly but surely. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. So in your career you will be moving forward. In your I feel like it's like spiritual also, spiritual progress also for you guys will be slow, but you will be moving forward. So everything will be moving forward from now. Okay, yeah, that's what I'm getting. And this is also about momentum, progress. So things are progressing for you guys. You will definitely, if you have a goal in your mind, if you have a plan for yourself, yes, you will be able to do it. You will be able to buy that new home. You will be able to travel the world. You will be able to live with the people who you want to live with, right? You are going to live in harmony. You are not going to be with someone who will not give you that happiness. You're going to stay with people who will give you those that happiness only, because you are so protected. Remember that. Yeah, time to go. Yeah, it's like you're breaking your own walls and you're like becoming more confident. That's what I'm getting here. We have no place like home. So you are definitely with this. We have a home here also, castle. You're living you were living in these four walls. Now I feel like you are expansion. That's what I'm getting, expansion. Like you're building your confidence, you're building your courage, you're taking risks. Now you're moving forward, you're doing the things you thought you will never do. That's the thing. You thought that, yeah, I will never sing on a stage. But what you're going to do is you're going to sing on a stage. You thought I will never paint. I'm not a painter, I'm not a good painter, but you will be learning that and you will be doing that. So something that you thought that you will never do, you're going to do that. Or maybe you thought, I will never have a YouTube channel. Maybe you will become a YouTuber. So something like that. It's like you are going to surprise yourself in so many ways. Okay, that's something is written in your destiny. You are going to surprise yourself. You are going to find that home within yourself. You are going to trust yourself. That's something I'm getting here. You are building your own trust. You're like, yeah, you are believing in yourself. As you progress with your life, I feel like you will be believing in yourself more and more and more, and doing the things that you want to do. You are going to listen to your heart. Like, yeah, your heart is your home. You're going to listen there. Listen to your home, like your heart, and take action. You're not going to be worried about anyone, what others think. So I feel like that's the lesson you're going to learn. It's like you're not going to care about other people. Maybe in the past you did that a lot, you used to people please a lot, but what I feel like is like now you are going to do what you want to do, what your heart says, and you know that you will progress. So believe in yourself and move forward and be confident. Things are going to change for you guys. Definitely, if there have been a lot of obstacles, I feel like things are going to progress. That is written. You're here for progress, you are here for development, you are here for success, and you are here to reach your destination. So the goals, the plans that you're making for your life, you will be able to succeed in it. But yes, definitely you will have to work for it, okay? And you will have to take risks sometimes. Sometimes, when we listen to our intuition, when we listen to our heart, that means we have to take risk, because our intuition, our heart will not give us explanation. They will just tell, go and do that. They will not be like go out today. They will not tell us why we have to go out. They will not give us the explanation. When you go out, that is when you will realize, oh, that's why, so that's the thing. And I feel like gradually you are going to learn more and more to trust your own intuition, and that's what. This is a very beautiful reading, okay? Look at it. Look at your tarot cards, guys. We have the Sun, we have the Nine of Cups and Three of Cups. So definitely there is emotional fulfillment for you guys in terms of friendship. So if you don't have good friends right now, I feel like here Spirit is telling, universe is telling you, yes, there are good friends, the people who you can vibe with, who will give you a lot of emotional satisfaction. And in case of relationship also, you're only going to be with those people who will love you, who will take care of you, who will give you all the things you need, you want, okay? Whatever you want also they will give you. So you are going to meet fabulous people in your life, and they will treat you like so nicely. For some of you, you are meant to be mothers, you are meant to be fathers, and your kids will give you so much of happiness. If you already have a kid, your kid will give you that emotional satisfaction, that happiness, okay? That's something I'm getting here. So for some of you, you have a wish, you have some goals for yourself. So take risk, move forward, listen to your heart, because you are here to fulfill those things. You are here for a joyful, for a happy, for an emotionally satisfied life. But yeah, definitely you will have to go through challenges. Every day will be not best days. There will be bad days, but it's our attitude. you know, that attitude, you know, sometimes when we have a bad day, we will be like, why this is happening. The attitude should change. If we change our attitude, our life will be so happy. So what I feel like, you will change your attitude towards life. You will have this playful approach, you will be enjoying the work you will be doing. And yes, definitely there is a lot of emotional satisfaction, wish fulfillment, good house. I'm getting a very beautiful house, like with this castle and this 9 of cups. Maybe you always dreamt of a beautiful house that you want to own, and I feel like that is written in your destiny. A beautiful home, a good relationship, emotional satisfied, lot of abundance, lot of materialistic abundance for you guys. Money wise also I see a lot of good fortune for you guys. And in form of friendship, good people. Like maybe your relationship with your sisters will deepen. If you have sisters, a lot of good relationship, you know, your sisters will help you, will be there for you, or your friends will be there for you, you will be there for your friends. So a lot of emotionally feel good relationship is written for you guys. Okay, a happy life is written for you guys. And yes, so when you're not progressing very fast, but I feel like you are very impatient people also for some of you, and I feel like the lesson you need to learn is to be more patient with yourself, with others. Okay, that's something I feel like you have to learn, and slowly but surely, don't put too much pressure on yourself. You will learn that also. You will like patience. It's like, you know, for developing patience also, we have to be disciplined. It should be an everyday thing. You know, you need to be like, if you have a child and they do something and you're very impatient with them, you need to remind yourself, yeah, I need to be patient with them, I need to be patient with them. So it should be a reminder for you guys in some way. I feel like to be patient with yourself, because your desires, what you want, what you seek is seeking you in a way. Group number 2 I feel like that. And you are, so whenever you encounter an obstacle, don't be like, oh my god, why another obstacle, why this has to happen. I feel like when you encounter an obstacle, it's just a way to make you more stronger, and it's just, yeah, just to make you stronger. That's it. I feel like it. And it's like it will make you like it, you know, it will because of it, you will challenge yourself, you will get out of your comfort zone, you will take risk, you will listen to your intuition. So that's something I'm getting for you guys. I even see a lot of spiritual progress also. Okay, so but the 3 tarot cards are beautiful for you guys. A lot of fulfillment, cup energy, maybe your water signs also, or Leo energy also I'm getting for some of you. And earth is also getting, but like water signs and 5 signs is also there. But definitely maybe your Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but definitely a lot of fulfillment. Yeah, emotional satisfaction is there for you guys. There is a lot of progress, partnership. If you're into business, entrepreneurship, I'm getting for you guys. But definitely remember, this is not going to be a very fast-paced movement for you guys. Like one day you put a video on the YouTube and it will go viral. No, that is not going to happen. You will have to constantly work for it. You will have to work, and then you will gradually see the results. So something for you guys is like slow progress but stable progress, right? And we have nature. Interact with nature in the outdoors, around animals, farmlands, or by the ocean. This will be good for the soul and healing for you. So yeah, nature is going to be very huge for you guys. So whenever you're in nature, you will feel very happy. So connect yourself with nature, mother earth, Gaia. And I feel like universe gives you a lot of signs and symbols through nature. So spend your time whenever you're feeling confused or something like that. If you want some guidance, go out in nature, look in the look above, look in the skies, look at the clouds, you will get your message. Or go at night outside, look in the stars, you will get your answers. Or just connect with animals if you can, you will get your answers. So yes, that's something. Nature will heal you in so many ways. Nature heals actually, right? So if you have a plant, connect with that plant. If you have a pet, connect with that pet. I feel like for many of you, it's, if you will give food to animals and all, it will be so good for you guys. And I feel for some of you, you do it also. So keep on doing that good deeds, because like divine has a hand over you, like they are always protecting you. Group number 2, it's so beautiful. Your cards came out so beautiful. So bye bye, thank you for listening to this video. If you like it, please like the video, subscribe. Okay, bye bye, take care. Group number 3, if you have chosen this paintbrush, let's see. I'm getting protection because I'm getting this white color for you guys. So I'm getting a lot of protection. For group number 2 also, it was like a lot of about protection for you guys also. You're very, very protected. Okay, we have the rune of Algiz, and this is also about, you know, protection from the universe. You are receiving a lot of protection. So so, you know, sometimes you feel like, oh, we lost this thing, why this happened. So here's universe is telling to you guys, it's you never lose anything. At the end of the day, you learn a lesson. Okay, so that's something I'm getting. So yeah, for you guys, but you're very protected here. And I feel like Archangel Ariel and Archangel Michael for some of you. Yeah, archangels, you work with archangels. If you can work with archangels, it will be very good for you guys. That is something I'm getting here. And yeah, look, angels, you vibe with angels. I feel like that. So let's see what else for group number 3. Oh, refusal of the call. Okay, so with this what I'm getting is like, for some of you, you have a dream that you need to take action now. So don't refuse that call. Okay, so for some of you, you are being called to change your career, or maybe your relationship or something, or maybe you are called to change the place, your location, your residence. So there is some changes that you need to make. It's like universe is guiding you to do that, but for some of you, you are refusing it. So it's like the more you refuse, the more unhappy you will be. So it's time to listen to your heart and go with it. So for some of you, it's like, oh, I have this job, why I should change the career, even though I feel like that I need to change that career. I have this passion. So maybe it's like you have a passion, and you're feeling like, yeah, I need to quit my job and take this. You know, if you've been feeling like that, it's like time to do that, time to take that action, time to move forward with your dream, because you are here to follow that. So the more you push it away, the more it will go from your hands. So like, I feel it's like universe is telling you to take action now. You have been pushing it away for some of you, and you are here to fulfill that thing. For some of you, you have a passion, you are here, you came here to do that. So why are you pushing it away? So for some of you, there is this refusal of the call. So you have this dream that you want to pursue, but you are refusing it. So something in your life, you feel like doing it, you want to do it, but you are refusing because of the circumstances, or because you are afraid of change. So remember, you're very protected here with this rune Algiz. You're very protected here. You're protected from harm, and so don't worry. You know, maybe you're worrying, and because of it, you don't want to change those things. You've been feeling like changing it, but you're not changing it. So it's like, it's written in your destiny. It's time to listen to your heart. It's time to go with your dream. What are your dreams, guys? Yeah, so for some of you, there is this refusal to that thing, and here, the more you refuse, you know, I feel like for some of you, it's like the faster you trust your heart and go with it, the faster you do that, it will be best for you guys. The more you push, the more unhappy you will be. So that's the thing. It's like spirit is telling you to take action now to your goals, because that is what you're here to do. So some of you have this dream, go for it. Yeah, the divine director, intervention and purpose. So divine intervention is occurring. Know that you are being guided. Happiness is your purpose. So yeah, for some of you, you have been feeling like it. So intuitively, you have been feeling like, I need to take action on this thing. Oh, I have this project in my mind. I should direct my attention to that. But you have other things. You know, maybe you have a job, or because of it, you are not putting that much effort into this thing that you want, that you like, that is your dream. So now, if you don't if you don't take action now, it's like universe will do something, some tower moment will happen, and then you will be directed to this thing anyway. So it's better, I feel like it's better to take action now. That's what, because it's written in your destiny. This is what you are here to do. So it's time to take action for you guys. So maybe for some of you, are refusing something, even your heart is like telling you, go for it, do it, but you are not doing it. But remember, this is for your happiness. This will give you so much of happiness, so much of fulfillment that this other thing will not give you. So maybe for some of you, you're holding on to a relationship that is not making you happy, and you've been feeling like I should get out of it, get out of it, but you're not. And you, or maybe you have like you want to move away from your home to a different country, but you are like, no, I cannot move away from my home, and you're refusing that call. So it's like, then anyways universe will push you to that direction. So make that make that decision now and take action, because this will give you only happiness. So you're receiving a lot of messages, you're seeing a lot of signs, but you're ignoring it. That's the thing, group number. That's the message. Maybe that's why that's what you need to know right now. That's why this is coming here. Like, yeah, begin now. Your all cards are telling, take your first step. It's time to say bye to a lot of people's in your life. It's time to go in a different direction. You have been feeling it. You have been feeling it, but you're refusing it. And even though if you refuse, you will not be happy. So don't resist this change, guys. Nothing is permanent anyways. So take action. Follow your heart, follow your intuition, take a leap of faith. It's time to begin now. For some of you, you have a very great opportunity. Maybe you have this letter to go abroad, and now you're like, should I go? Should I go? What? No, I cannot go. Then you feel fear, and you replace love with fear. And when we replace love with fear, then we are not happy, right? When fear takes on, we are not happy. So it's like all the cards is like you're refusing something. Now it's the time to take action, because this is written in your destiny. This path, this is the thing that is written in your destiny. So you cannot skip this thing. So that's like, take action now, because this will lead to great adventure, guys. Take a risk, venture forward. Yes, it's time to take a risk, guys. Yeah, it's risky. It's risky. You have been feeling it. You want to go it. You want to make that change, but you're not doing that change. You're stressing about things. A lot of fear-based energy here. So meditate, ground yourself, and take action. There is something there is a call. If you're resonating with this, there is something that you need to change. House, whatever, I don't know, but you need to make this change right now in your life. Career path, relationship change, or movement of house, or leaving people behind, leaving friend group behind, something is there, and you're going into new direction that will be a little bit risky. It's like taking a leap of faith now, and this will make you so happy. Even though this is risky right now, it will give you a lot of adventure. You will meet a lot of new people, the people you will be vibing with, the people who will give you happiness. If you're single, maybe it's time to go out and try dating or something like that. Something is that you need to begin now, guys. And I feel like in your heart you know it, what is it, and it's written in your destiny. And remember, you're protected, and that's the message for you guys today. Look, holding together, everything will come together for you guys. Maybe you're stressing, oh my god, if I leave this job, what if things will not work the way out? So you're thinking about the outcome before even taking action. You're thinking about the outcome, and this will not give you any happiness. This will only give you worry. So right now, it's not the time to think about the outcome. It's time to take action, because this will give you a lot of happiness. This will give you togetherness. You will meet people who you can vibe with. Look, there are different kinds of fishes, but they are all together, right? So that's the thing. So you are going to meet people who will be different from you. Like, maybe they will be the way they live will be different, the way they talk will be different, they will be talking in a different language, or the way they dress is entirely different, but they will understand you. The vibration will be very good. I'm getting this energy like more than our friends and families, these people will understand you. So yeah, there is this place where you have been called to go to that place, because there is where you will find your soul tribe. I'm getting here for some of you. People will listen to you, guys. So maybe for some of you, you have like this feeling of work to present a seminar or to do a workshop. Go for it. So some opportunity is there. It's written in your destiny. This is the message for you guys today. Yeah, all that glitters. So for some of you, there is this job that is providing you good money, but are you authentic? Are you happy in this job? Are you happy in this relationship? Or are you just wearing a mask? So yeah, it's time to remove that mask. All that glitters is not gold, right? So yeah, there is so much more to you. You are here to learn so much. That yeah, you're not here to be in your comfort place. You're not here to be in a job that gives you the comfort, but it's not making you happy. It's not fulfilling your purpose. It's not making you happy from inside. If you're feeling that void, what's the use? You're here to fulfill your purpose in some way. So yeah, you have a purpose. So that's what you're refusing right now, because you're afraid of change. So that's why you're wearing a mask. You're like, I'm happy here. I will do this job. I'm happy here, even though you're not happy. So it's like time to remove that mask. It's time to be authentic to yourself. It's time to begin that. It's time to take that first step. Group number 3. Yeah, it's time to be in this Queen of Wands energy. You have been in this fear-based energy for so long. Queen of Wands is someone who will listen to her intuitive nudge and take action. She is so confident in herself. So maybe for some of you are not confident right now. Oh, this is the thing. I'm good at it. I'm doing as a hobby right now, but I'm not sure if I want to start this business right now because I'm in fear right now. So it's like, that fear should go. So take your time, but I feel like you have been refusing this for so long. Like now it's like, no, don't refuse it anymore. Take that first step. It's a risk, but do it. So if you're feeling it, if you're resonating with this message, if you have this passion, if you want to take action, if this message is resonating, it's like Spirit is like telling you, take that action, take that first step, be confident in yourself. And if you have taken that first step, this is going to be so beautiful. You're going to become so fearless. You're in this fearful energy now. I feel like as you progress, you're going to become so fearless and so confident, who will speak her mind. Your gender doesn't matter, but yeah. So yeah, that's the thing. You are here to become more confident. You're here to lead people. You're the leaders. You're not the followers. Understand that. You're also like this fish is like saying something like, this is the leader. I feel like you are the leaders, and you will bring a lot of people together in some way. Okay, so that's the thing. Oh, we have 10 of Pentacles and we have Queen of Pentacles. Yes, so definitely for some of you, you are here to create a legacy. So if you don't get out of your comfort zone, you're not going to create that legacy. Financial abundance. You're here to make, yeah, for some of you, it's like you have been feeling like starting a business, but because of the fear, you're not starting that business or something like that. And it's like, start it now. Maybe for some of you, you have this feeling, yeah, I need to write a book, or I need to paint this, I need to do this. You have been feeling it, but you're not doing it because you have this. If you have this feeling, it's like this thing will give you so much of abundance. It will make you so strong person. It will give you that independence, financially independence. I feel like you are someone who will have enough to give to their, if you have grandkids, they will also have that much money. You're here to build a legacy. Group number 3. So what is stopping you right now? You're the Queen of Pentacles. You are here to have a good family life. You're going to be happy with your family. You will be able to provide to your family. At the same time, you're mature, you're disciplined. Like we have Queen of Pentacles and Queen of Wands energy. So you are someone who is here to be confident, who is here to take important decisions. You're mature, okay, you're disciplined. You know how to maintain that balance, your divine feminine, divine masculine energies. So yeah, this is written in your destiny, right? Financial abundance, creating that legacy, giving to the needy. You will have that much money. You can do the charity work, right? But there is this refusal from your part right now, and that's the thing is, right? So for some of you, refusing that. So the more you refuse, the more time it will take. So yeah, a change of residence, partner, career, or job is on the cards. What I was telling you, change, and you are resisting those changes. If you have started it, I'm sure you're going to be so happy with your decision, and it will give you so much of abundance. So be honest with yourself. The thing you have to do is do right now is to remove that mask and be honest with yourself, and you are protected. Remember that. You're restless and in need of a change, and this is exactly what is coming your way. And of course, if you don't make that change, things will happen in a certain way, and you will be led to a different direction anyways, because it's written in your destiny. So it's better to make that change right now. Okay, so yeah, that's the message, group number 3. I hope you liked it. So if you liked it, please share, subscribe, comment. Bye bye, take care.